Hey guys, Mario Flores here with junkremovalmoney.com. In this episode, I want to explain to you what SEO is, what website structure is, and what really moves the needle when we're talking about SEO. I started a business back in 2017 for junk removal in my local area. I learned how to do my own SEO, and now I actually do SEO for over 100 junk removal companies across the nation. And that is what I do full time now. And in this journey of doing SEO and creating websites for other people, I found out that the number one thing that happens when people come to me is that they've been burned by other SEO companies and they lack an understanding of what SEO really is and what website creation should look like. And so the reason I'm making this video is because I want to show you what you should be looking out for when you're being sold SEO or website creation. You don't really need to understand everything about SEO, but you should understand the basics enough to make an educated decision when hiring a company. And so I'm going to give you some resources here that you can utilize, because what I see happening a lot is these SEO companies will come and sell you on a 12-month package and promise you results after 12 months. But in these 12 months, they haven't done anything for your business, meaning you've wasted a year of your time, money, and effort. And now you have to go to somebody else that actually knows what they're doing. And the problem with this is now you're just delaying your progress. And so I want to teach you what you should be looking out for in order to actually gain momentum and get more jobs. So we're going to head over to the computer screen. We're going to do some searching, and then I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. All right, guys. So for this example, we're going to be using Seattle, Washington as our primary service area. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in junk removal Seattle, Washington. When we scroll down, we're going to see here that Junking Seattle ranks number 1 in the map pack, and the 1-800-GOT-JUNK ranks number 1 in the organic sections, and then Junking Seattle ranks again in the organic section as number 2. Now, what I want you to understand here is that a website is like a book, okay? And we add pages to the book so that we can inform people about this new subject or this new thing that we want to talk about or mention in the book, okay? And that's how websites should work. The problem I see here is that a lot of you guys will buy a website, right? And it'll only have one chapter or one page, and it'll just be the home page. And basically all you're doing is you're writing down, we are XYZ company. We offer junk removal services. A lot of you guys don't even mention the main city. And then you'll just write out a bunch of zip codes and services that you guys offer in a very brief description. Now what happens is, to me, that's the bare minimum, okay? And you're competing against multi-million-dollar brands like Junking and 1-800-GOT-JUNK that have deep pockets to build out massive websites. There should be no point in comparison to how you're gonna actually outrank them with that website. You should be doing a lot more than that. If that's you right now, you only have one page and it's got minimal content and no structure, then you know that that's not gonna work and that you need to do something about it. Now your next approach might be, let's go pay somebody to make a website, okay? What ends up happening is they do build out a website, but the website also doesn't have structure. It might have service pages, but they're not specific to cities. And I'm actually gonna show a website audit video that I created. I'm gonna link for it somewhere up here on the screen or down below, because I wanna show you how I actually audit websites. This video is more explaining website creation and how pages help your website rank for SEO and more things. Think about it like this. When we do a search on the internet for junk removal in Seattle, Google has given us pages of that website that best fit that description. Okay, so here, if we were to click on this listing right here that says junk removal in Seattle /junking, it's not gonna take us to junking.com. It's gonna take us to the specific page that is written for Seattle. So right here at the very top of my browser, it says junking.com. But if I click on it, it says /locations/Seattle. So this is a page of this entire website. So a book, and this is one of the pages of that website. And the reason I'm saying all of this, right, like I'm really trying to clarify book and pages and stuff, is because I'll talk to people and they'll say, yeah, website, and then I'll say pages, and then they think a whole nother website. No, you have a menu and you have pages that you can click on for this website. You don't ever leave the website. You just open up new tabs and new pages to that website. And so when you look at Junking firsthand, it gives you some some menu bars here, and you don't really see all the pages, but when you run Junking through an auditing tool, you get a lot more information. You can see here that the entire website of junking.com ranks for 40,000 keywords, okay? Their monthly traffic value is almost 200,000 visitors. And if we actually look at their page structure, Junking has over 4,200 pages on their website. And right here, we're looking at their analytics of each page, and you can see here, this right here says junking, and then /services, so that's a page. /dumpster rentals. You'll see here /Las Vegas, /San Diego. And so what's happening here is the more pages your website has, the more chances that it will show up for certain things. If junking only had a homepage and then they wrote down all the cities they went to, they would never rank. But they understand that more pages means more visitors, more direct visitors to that search phrase. And it'll even show you right here, look. This specific page, junking.com/locations/Houston. And right here on this column, it says top keywords. Look, this page ranks for junk removal Houston, and the search volume is 1.6 thousand visitors per month. If they didn't have that page, the website would never rank in that city. So look, the reason I'm telling you all this is because if you have signed a contract or you've gotten into business with a marketing agency that has sold you on SEO services, but your SEO plan never mentioned creation of new pages, then your website's never growing. What point is there to do SEO if the website stays with the same 1 to 2 pages you had and they're promising you all this search volume and all these things? Well, how are they promising that if those pages are never made for that specific search phrase? I'll give you an example. If junking didn't have pages for hot tub removals, they would never get hot tub removal jobs. But I bet you anything they have hundreds of them. So I want you to do your homework. I want you to go look at your website and look at it and really analyze it and say, all right, are the pages there for appliance removal? Are they there for mattress removal? Are they there for every single city and service? And if you don't see them, then they're not doing anything to grow your business. This is just a video that I wanted to put out there so that you guys can get a little bit more understanding of how SEO works to make better decisions for your business. If you need any more assistance with your business or need any more help, you can contact me at 503-914-7250 or visit junkremovalmoney.com. If you like this sort of content, consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. As always, I appreciate you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks.